once boasted how fast he could run. He was agile, long-legged, and out for some fun. So he teased an old tortoise about his slow pace. But the tortoise surprised him and asked for a race.
"If you think you can beat me, you're out of your mind,"
jeered the hare, who was really very unkind.
"Yes, I could win,"
said the tortoise.
"Name the time and the place."
The hare thought this amusing and laughed in his face. But he agreed to the race and the place it was set. An announcement was made in the country gazette. The animals gathered, all out for the day. Excitement arose when the race got underway. The hare and the tortoise were set on their marks. The pistol was fired, and it shot out some sparks. In a great cloud of dust, the hare ran off at some speed. It was obvious to all he was well in the lead. The tortoise then coughed, wiped the dust from his face, then set off quite steadily at a moderate pace. He didn't worry that hare could run very fast. The test would be whether or not he could last. The hare, with his racing, had made himself hot, so he stopped under a tree in a cool, shady spot. He thought,
"Why should I rush? I'm certain to win."
So he laid down for a rest, fell asleep with a grin. Meanwhile, the old tortoise plodded steadily on, neither stopping nor resting as he went along. He passed by the hare, and then, oh yes indeed, it wasn't hare but old tortoise who was now in the lead. The crowd saw him and cheered. The noise woke up the hare. To see the race won by tortoise was more than he could bear. He took off in a fury when he realized his fate. But the tortoise was first. He was simply too late. Slow but sure wins the race is the moral of this tale. Take things steadily and moderately, and you'll never fail.
"I'm proud to be fast and light-footed. Those who can't run fast are really unlucky. How do you manage, tortoise?" "I might be slow, but I'm always on time." "You can't be on time if you're slow. Let's have a contest to see who reaches the mountain first." "I accept, hare. Nightingale, can you be the judge?" "Sure. Please take your places. On your marks, get set, go. Good luck, tortoise." "Good luck, hare. Remember, slow but steady wins the race." "I'm already halfway, but tortoise is so far behind. I'll take a nap." "There are many stones on the road. Shall we remove them so I can walk faster?" "Let's help tortoise remove all the stones from the track." "Thank you." This stone was a hurdle. Thanks again for your help. The track is clear now. This stone was a hurdle. The bridge is broken. Can you help her to repair it? We need to find all the wooden parts. Thank you. The bridge is as good as new. Great. Thanks. You are a great helper. Tortoise is approaching the finish line, but where is Hare? Ah, he is sleeping under the tree. Let's wake him up. What's the matter? While you slept, Tortoise won the race. That's not fair. I was faster. I lost the race because I napped. Discipline matters more than speed in a contest. Tortoise is the winner. I try to be always on time and finish what I've started. That's not fair. I was faster. I lost the race because I napped. I try to be always on time and finish what I've started.